and discovery. This is the place where we unlock the secrets of the world's most stunning destinations. Today, we delve into the heart of France, the city of lights, the city of love, Paris. Our first crucial tip is to start your journey with the Eiffel Tower. The symbol of Paris, standing tall and proud, is an absolute must-see. Meander through the verdant Champ de Mars, capturing the tower's grandeur from every angle. Ascend to the top and marvel at the city sprawling beneath your feet. Following this, venture into the realm of art and history at the Louvre Museum. With an extensive collection of masterpieces, including the enigmatic Mona Lisa, it's the world's largest art museum. The treasures inside are sure to leave you in awe of human creativity. Now, onto the gastronomic delights that await in Paris. French cuisine is a symphony of flavors that is not to be missed. Begin your day with a buttery croissant or a sumptuous pain au chocolat at a quaint café. And of course, no Parisian adventure is complete without the sweet delight of French macarons. Next, we look at the lifeline of Paris, the metro system. It's the most convenient way to traverse the city, leading you to every major attraction and providing a glimpse into the daily life of the locals. Lastly, veer off the beaten path and discover the enchanting neighborhoods of Paris. Montmartre and Le Marais are brimming with hidden gems, from cozy cafes to unique boutiques. This is where you'll truly feel the city's pulse. To recap, begin your Parisian journey with the Eiffel Tower, then explore the Louvre Museum. Indulge in the delicacies of French cuisine, navigate the city via the metro, and uncover the charm of local neighborhoods. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Paris. Remember, these tips are here to help you get the most out of your first trip to this magical city. If you found this useful, do subscribe and activate notifications to stay updated. Until our next adventure, happy travels!